Hello friends, in this particular video we will see the other features which are there in the Constitution of Tunisia. Article 1 and 2 of the Constitution cannot be amended. Family is the nucleus of the society and government shall protect it. Youth are an active force in building the nation. Protecting the unity and integrity of the homeland is duty of all citizens. Investment contracts related to natural resources shall be presented to the competent committee in the Assembly of Representatives of People. International agreements approved and ratified by the Assembly of the Representatives of the People have a status superior to that of laws and inferior to the Constitution. Guaranteed women's representation in elected bodies. Government shall protect cultural heritage for future generations. Conservation and rational use of water is duty of the society. Government is committed towards women empowerment. Government committed to eradicate violence against women. No amendments to the Constitution would be done which would undermine the human rights and freedom guaranteed in the Constitution. Judicial authorities would ensure that rights and freedoms are protected from all violations. Constitution mentions categories of law, that is ordinary law, organic law. President of the Republic shall, before signing the draft law, resubmit it to the Constitutional Court to reconsider and rule on its constitutionality. There is Audio Visual Communication Commission. There is Commission for Sustainable Development and the Rights of Future Generation. Commission for Sustainable Development and the Rights of Future Generation shall be consulted on draft laws related to economic, social and environmental issues as well as development plans. President of Republic has a right to propose amendments in the Constitution. So friend, these were some other features which are there in the Constitution of Tunisia. Thank you.